What's up, gang? So we're installing today these eyelids on the Accord, and I just got this one installed. I bought it on eBay for like, I don't know, like 20 bucks. They're cheap. So I'm gonna install the other one. It's right here. So my brother actually got his but his are carbon fiber. Like, these are really light. And then these are mine. These are like hard plastic, and they're heavier. So they already come with the tape installed. And actually we were trying to install my brother's, but the tape that it came with, it was like really thin, like really little tape, like half the size of this one, in terms of like the girth of it. But we stuck it first here on the headlight, but then it wouldn't stick on this. So actually, like, see how easy it comes off. So I think it's just the material, the carbon fiber material is just not sticky. So my brother just went to purchase more tape right now. See, because he thinks that it was my fault because I put the tape first on the headlight. But now that I see this, is like the material is just not a material to stick on, you know. So maybe he might need to glue it first. All right, so we're gonna install the second one on the Accord, and very simple. We're just gonna peel the tape off, and I guess I would suggest that you clean your headlights first. I took the car to the car wash earlier, and I took the car to the car wash, so I think it should be fine. Wait, hold on. Okay, so I got the tape off, and pretty much very simple. You're just gonna align it. It's got the shape right here. You see the shape with the headlight. And then you align it, and then, you know, before you press it in, you just align it first, and then boom, just press it down. And let me do that right now because I need both hands. Okay, so I got this one on, and then you just press down. So this one looks different because my freaking I don't know, but if you see right here, this doesn't look flush. Compared to this side, but that's because this fender actually hit it, so it's pushed forward, so that's why it looks like really flush. But yeah, but I think this one actually is fitted better than the other one. But yeah, that's how it looks. So if you guys ask yourself why I have this wrap, which looks cool, it's because my headlight was all yellow, so that's what I usually do. Because even if you clean it, like, it still comes back, and I've been doing this with cars that the headlights get yellowish, so it helps the headlights like stay clear, at least protected, and it works out. See, my brother is gonna do his too, because I told him, but he's gonna do his because he's got this side that's looks like that. All right, so yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks cool. Try to take a picture and take a picture. And right now I'm gonna install these what do you call it, rain guards. I'm gonna install that, and I'll make that into another video. But yeah, that's how those look. Thanks for watching.